morning, everybody. I'm going to show you how to disassemble your shoulder unit in order to get this product back to Dynasplint. We're going to start with the box first. If you open your box, there's two tools that we will need. Your splint looks like this. You're going to need one tool with a yellow handle and our screwdriver. You're going to come over to the splint. You're going to just take the pad off. It's just Velcroed. And you're going to start with the arm of the splint. You're going to take your tool. You're going to loosen and then just disassemble. Put that piece aside. Make sure that this screw gets back in the box. So if you look the way this splint's set up, you're going to come over to this plate. You're going to push this down and then rotate this all the way around to 180. There's two screws on each side of the splint. So you're going to take your screwdriver and loosen one side. What you do to one side, you're going to do to the other. And if you have trouble finding it, it's just underneath this piece. Okay, here's the key. If you look real closely, there's a lever. This lever has to be pushed up and the splint will come right out. You're going to put this piece aside. You're now going to go back to the box. You're going to put your pillow back on the splint. Take your one tool. There's a cutout. Now you're going to grab your splint. Goes right in the box. You're going to now grab the rest of it. This piece will fit right here. Again, please make sure that this screw gets put back in the box. And we are all set. After you get the splint in the box, the white case has the paid postage on it. If you have any trouble, call Dynasplint.